Do you know you don't necessarily need to spend money on any VPN subscription? At the end of this video, I will show you one of the best free VPNs that you can use on your Google TV device. And the good thing is that you don't need any subscription, you don't need to spend any money, and you don't need to use any card details. Hello there, this is Dave, the YouTube channel. And if this is the first time you're on my channel, in this channel I talk about Google TV and other Android TV devices. And if you are looking for any tutorial on your Android TV, Google TV, this is the channel for you. So I highly recommend you watch this particular video right up to the end, and also like and subscribe so that when I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to know. Alright, so here's my Google TV device, and in this particular video I'll be showing you what I consider one of the best free VPNs that you can use on your Google TV. Now before I go ahead, I just want to rectify that this video is purely for educational purposes, and I'm in no way encouraging you on how to do certain things that are not allowed with a VPN. So if you have a Google TV device, the VPN I'm about to show you does not need any payment or subscription, but you can install it and use it on your Google TV for whatever purposes that you would desire. So please pay attention right up to the end, because I'll show you this particular VPN, I'll show you how to install it to your Google TV device, and also I'll show you how to set it up. So that's it, let's get started. Now there are many premium VPNs out there like NordVPN, Surfshark, and the rest. You see most of us YouTube creators will always promote them, but these free ones we barely or rarely promote them. But I'm doing a video for those of you who do not have money to subscribe to a premium VPN, so you can go ahead and get this particular VPN. So I'm just going to go straight away and show you how the VPN works, and let's launch it right away. So now here is the VPN. It is very simple to use. This is how it looks like on your Google TV device. Now it might work on certain devices, but this video is purely for Google TV. Now once you go over here, you can see these are countries that you can connect to. So for instance, here's the Netherlands. You can connect to Netherlands. These are other free countries in Europe. You can go over to the Americas. If you come down to the Americas, for instance, you see Canada. If you see Canada, you see Mexico, and you see the US. Now those are the free countries in the Americas. You come down to Asia, for instance, you're going to see Japan and Singapore. I think two of these are free. And then we'll have Africa and Middle East, where we'll have Algeria. And in this segment, there is no free server. Now we're going to work with the free servers in this video, since I said I don't want you to pay any subscription. So for instance, we're going to come back to a server that we can connect to. Let's say for instance we try to connect to a server like the United States. Should I start with this? Okay, we're going to start with the United States. So if you want to connect with the server in the US, it's very simple. Just click on the country and click on connect, and it connects automatically. It is very simple to use. It doesn't need any configuration or any setups or whatever. That's how it connects, as simple as that. We can try this with another country. Let's say for instance we try this with the Netherlands or any other country. There's an option for quick connect. Quick connect is just you connecting to countries that you connected to before. So for instance, I can connect to the Netherlands over here, or Holland, whatever you call it. So you can just click on it once and it's connected. You just disconnect from the US and it connects to a server in the Netherlands. You can try this with all the free platforms or free servers over here. Let's try Netherlands. Here's it. Just click on it and it is connected. You can see at the top right on my screen it says VPN is connected. Now I can try all the servers that are here. I bet you all of these are going to work, and I believe that depending on the country that you are in, you're going to find some free servers. Now you can take out your time to browse through all the servers and see which one is going to be best for you, depending on the use that you want to use your VPN for. But for me, I don't really have any complications. Now if you look at Japan, for instance, you come over here and click on Japan. You can connect to Japan. It's simple. Now you can choose to subscribe to a premium server, but that is your choice. So for instance, under Japan here, you can come over to Japan. You see all these premium and free servers. So you can choose to connect to a free server, which is you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to pay any subscription or whatever. We can choose to get a premium subscription for purposes that you desire. But anyway, that's it. Let me show you how to install this to your Google TV. It's very simple. The very first thing, go over to your app segment, click on the box where you add or search for apps. So I'll just come down here a little bit. Well, search the app. Now on your app search, I'll always recommend for you to go to the Play Store first. Please go over to the Play Store, because at times you might search an application here and it doesn't show. Meanwhile, it is available on the inbuilt Play Store on your Google TV. So the very first thing I always recommend for you to search for Play Store. So once you search for Play Store, it brings you now to the Play Store on your Google TV. This is still my Google TV. Now here you can go ahead now and search for Proton VPN. So the name of the VPN is Proton VPN. So just go ahead and type it, Proton VPN. So I'm type PRO, and you are going to see the suggestion over here. I'm going to click on the suggestion. Now just a quick note, if your Play Store doesn't launch the way I launch, you can go back to your settings and search for Play Store from there. Anyway, that's just a quick note. Now here's the Proton VPN. All you've got to do, just click on install, and it's going to be installed on your Google TV. Once it's done installing, I will show you how to set it up or how to sign in on it to your Google TV. Now note, on this part you are going to need a smartphone or a computer, whatever third-party device you need, one of the third-party device. So here's the application. It is installed and good to go. So you can go ahead from here and launch the application on your Google TV. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. Once you click on open, it brings you to this first page. Now as I say, you need to sign in, but do not worry, you don't need to add in any payment details or whatever. All you need is an email address and a password. So what you need to do is, on your phone or on your computer, go over to this website protonvpn.com/tv and then create an account. Once you create an account, the two things you need to create an account is an email address with a password. Once you create an account with your email address, you sign into that Proton VPN on your device or on your phone or computer. Now once you sign in, go back to the proton.com or .tv. It is going to load you a space to put in this 8-digit code. So once you see the space or the boxes to put in this 8-digit code, you just go ahead and type in exactly as you see on the screen here. Now this 8-digit code have 5 minutes to expire. So if you follow the instruction, it is very simple. Just go over to your phone, type in protonvpn.com/tv and then type in that code. Once you type in the code, then it is going to launch and sign in straight away on your Google TV. It is very simple to do. I have just done it right now on my phone, just that I could not show the screen on my phone since I'm screen recording. So once that is done, it brings you back to where we were at the beginning of this video. So here's it, and you can go ahead and then start using the VPN, as I said, without any payment, without any subscription, without any monthly subscription or commitment. But if you choose to get a premium subscription, that is your decision, which is not, for me it is not necessary, but you might choose to get it if you want. Now you can come down over here and play over the settings and choose what you want. It just depends on your preferences and what you want. But for those of you who are interested in getting a free VPN, Proton VPN is one of the best VPNs out there. So if I close this, if I go back to my Google TV settings, if I go back to my quick settings over here, you are going to see that my VPN is turned on and connected. So that's how to use this VPN, and for me this is the best free VPN on the internet. And if you have any idea of any other VPN, just drop in the comment section. I'll do some research on it and I'll create a video for it. So that's it about this video. If you watched right up to this end and you found yourself a VPN to use without any subscription, please do well to support the channel. Your likes and your subscription, they go a long way to encourage me to keep growing and creating quality content like this for you. See you.